Good morning and welcome grade 5 to our English class. Okay children, we will just check our answers. That's on page 10. Okay, we will check these answers. Page 10, capital C. Rewrite these questions as statements. I have written down over here in the notebook so it becomes easier for you to read. Okay. Now read the first one, children. What's the first one? Thus, rewrite these questions as statements. Does Solomon live in Ethiopia? Now we have to make this is a question and we have to transform it or change it to a statement. Children, what I told you, when you change, you have to look at the verb. We have to look at the verb. So what will this sentence be? Solomon. Live will become what, children? Lives. Okay. Solomon lives in Ethiopia. And what will I put at the end? Full stop. Remember, this is in capital, this is in capital. They are special names, proper nouns. Okay. Now, the second one. This is also very simple, children. Is Ethiopia in Africa? So, what you will write? Ethiopia is in Africa. Full stop. Okay. Now here we have only this verb is, the auxiliary or the helping verb. Now, do you have to forget how tired you are? I have to make this a statement. What will it be? You have, yes, you have to forget, how tired you are. Okay, you have to forget how tired you are. Now the fourth one. This is simple, children. Did the bus break down? Yes, the bus. This is break, children. So what will it be? The bus broke. Past. The bus broke down. Okay. Now finally the last one. Did Solomon run all the way home? Which is the verb over here, children? Run. So do I change the verb? Yes? Yes, I need to change the verb. Solomon, run will be what? Ran. All the way home. We are talking of the present tense. Okay. Now children, we are moving to the next topic, that is grammar, verb, tense. Okay. But now children, what I am doing is, first I will do only verbs. Okay, and then I will move to tense because I see some confusion with a few of you, not many, but with a few of you. So I am going slow. Okay, so I will do verb first and then we will do tense. So now children, what is a verb? Yes, all of you know what is a verb. Verbs are, they are action words. Verbs are action or doing words. Give me some example. Doing words. What I am doing right now? Writing. And what you all are doing? Learning. So verbs are action doing words. Now, all of us know what is a verb. Okay. Now, I just want to go into some previous learning just to activate your previous knowledge. So, children, look here. Today morning what we discussed in Zoom. Okay. Now, we have even auxiliary verbs, helping verbs. Okay. Now, if you see the first three sentences, read the first sentence, children. Sharad plays in the park. Now, which is the verb over here? Plays. This is the action or this is the doing. Work. Reena reads a book. What is the verb over here? What is the action? Reads. Mother washed her hand. So, washed. Now, if you see, children, these three sentences, we are just seeing there is verb. There is no auxiliary verb here. Okay? We just have the verb. Now, if you see this sentence over here, okay, we are moving to the next one. She is my sister. Which is a verb over here, children? Yes, it is. Very good. The second one, I have a new dress. Have. Okay. So, these are our auxiliary or helping verbs. To be verbs, we had done it last year. Okay. Now come to the next sentence. Now children, here I want you to be careful. Okay. The mistake what you do over here is just pay attention. He is leaving the school. Okay. Now, which is a verb over here? Which is a verb here, children? Yes, there are two. The main verb over here is leaving. This you can identify very quickly. Okay, this shows an action. But there is also. So we need to underline is also. Remember this, children. Okay. Whenever we have the main verb and we will have the auxiliary or the helping verb, don't forget to underline that also. Now come to the next sentence. I had furnished the house with care. Furnished means what you do the interior decorations for your house. Okay. Some curtains, some pillow covers, sofa cover, some decorative items. So I had furnished the house with care. So which is a verb over here? Furnished. Now look carefully, children. We have an auxiliary or a helping verb over here. That is had. So I had furnished the house with care. So the first three sentences we see just the verb. The second one we see just helping verb. And the third one is we are seeing it has a helping verb and the main verb. Okay. These are all to be verbs and to have verbs. Remember, children, auxiliary verbs are, okay, some common auxiliary verbs like to be verbs are is, am, are, can, could, would. And then we also have to have verbs, auxiliary verbs. That is what? Yes. Has, yes. Had, do, does, did. Okay. Now, so children, for homework what you are going to do is, first you will do it from the text. Okay, this is from the text. You are going to do capital A, that is 1 to 6. Okay. Now before doing this, you can just go through this information box. They have told us even about tens. You may go through this. Then you will do capital A on page 12, 1 to 6. Now I have also given you some sentences, extra sentences, so that it becomes easy for you to identify. Can you see over here, children? I have another few sentences, that is 1 to 10. Okay. So you will read, pick out the verbs from the following sentences. Is you underline here, and if you want you can even, or you write it also down over here, the verb. Okay, there is space, no, one line, so you can write the verb over there down in this line. Okay children, so that's all children from my side. Thank you for participating.